Tired of manually copying information from your emails? Let's automate that. We're diving into how to use Zapier to automatically extract data from the body of your emails, so you can finally say goodbye to tedious manual data entry. First, you will need a Zapier account. If you do not have one, sign up for a free trial. Start by creating a new Zap and choose your email provider, Gmail or Outlook. As the trigger, select New Email or New Email Matching Search as the trigger event. The New Email Matching Search option is great if you only want to look at very specific emails. Connect your email account to Zapier and set up any necessary filters. For instance, you can specify a particular sender or subject line to narrow down which emails trigger the Zap. This ensures only relevant emails are processed. Now, the magic happens. Add a formatter by Zapier action. This will allow you to extract specific data from the body of your email. Choose the text option within the formatter. Within the text formatter action, select Extract Pattern. This is where you'll define the pattern Zapier should look for in your email body. This involves using regular expressions, so be prepared to learn a simple one if you do not already know it. In the pattern field, enter a regular expression that matches the data you want to extract. For example, if you want to grab an order number that looks like order 1 to 3 for 5, you might use a pattern like order D+. This expression tells Zapier to find the text order followed by one or more digits. The digits inside parentheses are the group you will extract. Test your extraction. Use the test button in Zapier to see if the pattern correctly identifies and extracts the desired data from a sample email. If it does not, you may need to refine the regular expression to better match your email content. Finally, add an action step to use the extracted data. For example, you can add a route to a Google Sheet, create a task in Trello, or update a field in your CRM. Map the extracted data from the formatter step to the corresponding fields in your chosen app. And that's it. Turn on your Zap, and now Zapier will automatically extract data from your emails, saving you time and effort.